Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger profile not showing. To know how to fix or to solve Messenger profiles not showing, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list we'll search about Messenger app. When you'll find this list of app and for we click on force stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage. Then we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. We search about Messenger. If you will find here update, you can click to update your application, and then you can go to your airplane mode. You can turn on. You will wait 3 seconds, and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.